Okay.
Okay,
Wait.
get it on.
Wait. Okay.
We made light. That's so awesome.
Landon, look over here.
Oh my gosh. Don't grab the handle of that.
Is your hair highlighted?
No.
It used to be. It used to be highlighted like.
Dude, that thing was like giving me
There.
a jingle
Like-
of shock. I'm like, ooh. It's like it just went.
Like, hold the metal into the scissors.
Well, okay. Hold it, okay. He just held it.
What are you doing?
Okay, are you gonna do it, Jonathan? While you no. Okay, while you stick it on, hold the metal in.
No, it'll hurt me.
Okay, hold the rubber part. The rubber
Okay.
part won't hurt.
Yes, I know.
Is it?
Mm-mm.
Did it go?
Oh, it did it.
It went blink blink.
Chill. Ah! Are you okay?
The only side effect of this experiment is shocking.
Oh, you should just
Oh.
feel them part of these, cause they was really hot.
click together, go.
Let's do it. Here, I'll do it. I'll do it.
Okay.
I'll do
Here,
it.
you want to go with her to get potty?
It is freaked out.
Get up, big girl. Come on. Go, go.
No.
Run.
You stay here and be near your reverse that stuff. Have
Okay.
you done this before?
Reversing the law of science is fun.
Don't do that.
Okay.
I told you that. Okay, now let's reverse the let's make that light shine over.
Okay, we're gonna make that light. Oh, we did it. It's
By using scissors
Oh,
and a
that's
camera cord and a car charger.
Oh!
I told you, Shocks.
Oh my god!
Let's do that again.
That was 110 volts of electricity.
Let's do that again.
yeah.
Dang, my
Did you go potty?
No, come here, show it to you.
Okay, that hurt.
Okay. Well, I'll be back. I gotta go watch someone potty.
Okay.